The package length of the product is 7.0 inches. The package width of the product is 5.0 inches. The package height of the product is 2.0 inches. Item package weight, 1 pound. Single stage, for heat, cool control, mechanical readout, 12-volt DC, with high, low fan speed control, with auto, on-mode fan control, white case. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect OEM replacement. It's just what was needed. I tried to save a little money the first time with a cheap off-brand that turned out to be dead on arrival. I wasted my time. Go ahead and spend a little extra for the real replacement part the first time and be done.